Take your Christmas crack to the next level this holiday season with my peanut butter pretzel Christmas crack recipe. This easy recipe uses pretzels in place of crackers, and I add peanut butter to the chocolate for an insanely delicious, addicting holiday treat that everyone will love. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Add in 340 grams or 12 ounces of pretzel twist to a half sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper. While traditional Christmas crack uses saltine crackers, the pretzels add a different and unique flavor and texture that I really love. Spread them out as evenly as possible. Add 454 grams of light brown sugar to a 3-quart pot. Next, chop 1 pound of butter into tablespoons and add into the pot as well. Put the brown sugar and butter over medium heat and heat until they have melted. Continue to cook until the mixture is a liquid and it begins to boil. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove it from the heat and pour it over the pretzel mixture. You can use your spatula to mix it up on the sheet pan to coat the pretzels completely. Bake at 400 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes or until the sugar mixture looks bubbly. Then add in 454 grams of mini dark chocolate chips to a heat-proof bowl. I love using mini chocolate chips for ease, but you could also chop up a chocolate bar as well. Add in 226 grams of peanut butter and melt the peanut butter and chocolate together. You can do this using a double boiler or in 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring between each one until it's completely melted. Pour the chocolate and peanut butter mixture over the pretzels and spread it out evenly. Last, top with naturally colored holiday sprinkles. I'm using India Tree's Nature's Colors sprinkles here that are all made using plant-based dyes. I use their bright red, snowflake sprinkles, and blue decorating sugars. I'll link all the sprinkles in the description. Transfer the tray to the freezer to set. Then break it up into pieces and it's ready to enjoy. This makes a delicious addition to any holiday cookie box, or it's also the perfect gift all on its own. You can also put this out on a platter for your holiday party. If you want more organic Christmas recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.